Isang mapagpalayang araw po. Nandito man po tayo sa ating channel, Lakdan MD. Ang tatalakayin po natin ngayon ay may kinalaman po doon po sa mga security personnel or security professional na maliban po sa paggugwardya, inuobliga po ng mga kliyente or client representative na magwalis, no? Minsan sa mga supermarket or ginagawang baggage counter, sa mga parking area minsan nakikita natin nag-i-issue ng ticket, okay? So para po sa kaalaman po nating lahat, yan po ay pinagbabawal na po ng SOSYA. At yan po ay alinsunod ni rin po sa Implementing Rules and Regulations ng Republic Act 11917. So, yan po yung lilinawin natin ngayon. Okay. Dito po sa SOSYA Memorandum Advisory Number 066-2023. Okay. Sabi po rito, reiteration on the non-utilization of security guards as parking utility, attendants, checker, service crew, and other unprescribed tasks, no? While on security duty. Okay, ito po ay reinforcement o reiteration nung SOSYA memorandum na inilabas noong September 6, 2023, no? Memorandum Advisory Number 41-2023. So, ibig sabihin, ito pong Memorandum Advisory Number 066-2023 dated December 14. Ito po ay pangalawa na, no? December 14, no? Pangalawa na po ito. Kasi merong nauna, September 2023. Ito po, December 2023. Okay? So, reiteration lang po ito. Ano pong sabi rito? This is to reiterate SOSYA Memorandum Number 041-2023, dated September 6, 2023, pertaining to owners, managers ng mga business establishment. So ano pong tinutukoy dito? Pertaining to owners or managers of business establishment who are still utilizing their posted private security guards to perform other tasks other than the prescribed function, such as parking utility attendants, application documents, checkers, verifiers, service crew, and others while on duty. Diba? This extra task tends to degrade the dignity of the security guards, no? And distracts them from performing their primary function to protect lives and property and to maintain order within their place of duty. Okay? Kasi minsan, tatanungin nyo, bakit nakalusot yung ganitong shoplifter? Bakit nakalusot yung ganitong empleyado habang nagbabantay ng supermarket, ng bangko, or ng anuman, nalusutan? Pinagwawalis ninyo. No? Pinagbabaggage counter ninyo. Okay po? Pinapahakot nyo ng kung anuman dyan. Diba? So, dapat walang unprescribed task. No? So, tandaan nyo po, ang trabaho ng security, observation, monitoring. O monitoring/observation. No? Reporting. Recording. Okay? And of course, response if necessary. And of course, provide recommendation. Recommend. Diba? Yan yung basic eh. Diba? So, fundamental duty, of course, protection of lives and property. Diba? So, number 3, the provisions of the IR of RA Number 11.7 provides the private security agency operators shall adhere to the rules and regulations set by the government and be professional in the conduct of their business without transgressing human rights. Likewise, they must constantly endeavor to raise the quality standards of the private security services. So, maliwanag po rito. No? In view of the above, all licensees of private security agencies and their officers are directed to ensure that the above provisions are complied with. No? Further, institute immediate corrective measures including but not limited to educating their clients. Okay? Of this provision of this prohibition to stop these wrong practices once and for all and ensure that violation of this will serve as a precondition for the termination of the contract with your clients. No? All private security professional who are remiss in their mandated functions and will continue to commit the above cited infractions shall be dealt with accordingly. So for your information, why this dissemination and strict compliance, no? So yan po ay inisyu ng Chief Sosya or Acting Chief Sosya. Okay? So tandaan po natin, ang isang security professional ay hindi dapat obligahin na gumawa ng anumang bagay na labas sa kanyang job description o yung tinatawag na unprescribed task. Ang tawag ko po rito ay non-security function. Diba? Maliwanag po yan, no? So, isinasaad din po yan ng Republic Act 11917. Okay? So, under po yan ng tawag niyan, under po yan ng Book 7, no? Book 7, Rule 52, no? Under po ng Book 7, Rule 52, Section 236. Ano pong nakasaad dyan sa Section 236? Code of Conduct of Security Professionals. Ha? Pang-ilan po ito? Ito po ay number 5 sa Code of Conduct ng Security Professional. No? Anong sabi po rito? Maliwanag pong binabanggit. They shall refrain from doing janitorial/utility works. Okay? Parking attendant. Parking attendant duties. Issue tickets, collect fees, and other non-security functions. Okay, nakita nyo na. Hindi lang po pala ako ang nagbanggit, no? Sinabi rin po ng Republic Act 11917 yung term na non-security functions. Okay? So, maliwanag po. So, sana po sa part po ng mga security officer, ng mga detachment commanders, officer in charge, mga security supervisors, no? Yung mga field inspectors ng mga agencies, and of course, doon sa mga client representative, yung mga security manager, security officer ng mga kliyente, ng mga kumpanya na yan, no? So, make sure lang po na yung mga gwardiya, yung mga security professional, make sure lang po na yung trabaho, na yung mga pinagagawa po natin sa kanila, eh dapat po yung trabaho po talaga nila. Okay? So, dinidiscourage po ng batas, no? Dinidiscourage po ng batas yung pagpapagawa ng mga non-security functions sa mga security professionals. Okay po? Kasi minsan, sisisihin nyo yung gwardiya, ba't nakapasok yung intruder? Ba't nakapasok yung ganito? Bakit mga merong unauthorized personnel na nakapasok? O mga bagay na nakapasok? Yung pala, pag inimbestigahan ng sosya o inimbestigahan ng mga security investigator, malalaman na pinagtatrabaho nyo ng iba. Di ba? Lalo na sa mga supermarket. Di ba? Pinag-i-inspection nyo ng mga gamit ng customer, pinagpiprisking ninyo, di ba? Pinag-check nyo ng resibo, tapos gagawin yung baggage counter. Jesus Mariosep, no? Hindi po maganda yan. Hindi po yan kasama sa trabaho nila. At higit sa lahat po, pagka po inobligan nyo sila na magtrabaho other than their function, nakokompromiso po yung security work nila. Okay po? So, sana po may natutunan po tayo rito. So, maraming salamat po. Stay safe, be alert, and be aware.